Hi everyone, Angela and Reichen here. Today we're in Joplin. We're at the Joplin Greenhouse and coffee shop, and I just wanted to take you around their indoor nursery and show you a little bit about some of the house plants. All right, here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. Begins with me. So here are the pothos that they have. Let's see, here's a marble queen, I think. This looks like an enjoy. Look how great that white variegation is. Okay, we also have some neon. Reichen's trying to find a plant for us down there. Okay, just a minute. Here's a glacier ivy. If you saw my glacier ivy from my mother, I made a topiary out of a video topiary DIY. You guys need to check out. Here's some Dumcane Diffenbachia. Let's see, the prices on these are $4.98. Great prices. They have a huge neon pothos there. Look at that. There's some Swiss cheese hanging up there. These look like they're all $24.98 for these guys. Gorgeous. Look how cute these are. These are their terrarium indoor plants, mostly tropicals and some ferns, $3.98 each. Look how incredible these are. I don't even know what they are. Look at this one. This is like a fern. There's like a bird's nest fern. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. Look at these cute little guys. It's like a little mini tree. Too cute. Some baby's tears, again $3.98. Huge fiddle leaf figs. These are $34.98. They're as tall or taller than my 4-year-old here. They have some gorgeous Monstera deliciosa. Look at this leaf. Look at that. So they said they just brought everything in because we just got our first cold snap. Look at that new leaf. Gorgeous. Look, there's some little snake plants, coffee plants. Okay, oh, here's a philodendron Little Phil. This is their plant pick of the week.
Hi, Mom.
It is $15.98. Look at that, you guys. How gorgeous is that? Beautiful. They have some sansevierias for $15.98. Huge. Look, these guys are about to bust out of their pots. Some starfish sansevierias. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. What's the price here? $21. And there's 3 plants. 1, 2, 3. Absolutely incredible. Look at this little guy. It's like I forget what that's like. It's like a nest, something. Those cylindricas, $21.98. It's thicker than my thumb, about 12 inches tall. Oh my God, you guys, look at this. I don't know if you can even see. Look at this. This is $21.98. Look at this fern. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what that is, but it is incredible. Look how huge it is. It's amazing. There's a Swiss cheese plant up here. It's so bright, I'm not sure you guys can even see any of these. $24.98. I don't know what this guy is. He's amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. These are cacti. I'm not sure what kind, but they are amazing. Okay. Come on, Mr. Reichen. Okay, let's keep going. See what else we can find. Oh, look at these. Oh my gosh, can you believe that? Look at all of these, you guys. These are Palea peperomia, I believe is what they're called. These look so healthy. Look at all the little babies inside of there. What are their prices? $14.98. They have some peperomia frost. See if I can get one out here. Very cute. Some ZZ plants up here. Can't wait to see the ZZ ravens. Okay, $15.98. Some Swiss cheese plants. These ones are really healthy. Look at all that new growth. Bird's nest ferns. I love these. I think I'm going to have to try one of these eventually. Some Chinese evergreens. Let's see. $19.98. Look at that. Look at that color, you guys. I wish I could keep these alive. Look how incredible this calathea is, you guys. What are their prices? These might be about, I they're not listed. Oh, they are. $8.98. Here's a pinstripe. Love it. Okay. We're gonna come back over here. There's so much in this tiny little indoor greenhouse here. Some of their succulents. Oh, I've never seen one of these. These are incredible. And they always have so much aloe. There's a gorgeous croton. Look at that down there. Okay, look, I can't even show you all these. $3.98 for all of these different succulents. It would be so great if I had a grow light that was working right now. Look at this Hoya Splash. You guys, that's incredible. What is this? They don't have a price on this one. Oh, so cute. They've got so much going on here. Look at all of these succulents. They keep these usually outside during the summer, so I think they just brought them in because we just got a cold snap. And, you know, like the first frost. Ooh, look how pretty those are. Arrowhead plants. What are they? Syngonium or something like that. Christmas cacti. $6.98. Look, they have some blooms already. Oh, we're getting... look at that. That's gorgeous. I saw a plant on Facebook last week that was like 6 times that size. Incredible. Okay. Oh my gosh. These little guys, I just love. Their price is $3.98 for all of these. You could do so much great stuff with this. Okay. Reichen, are you ready to go? You ready to go see the fish? Okay. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you in Kansas City tomorrow. Bye.